We're not gonna repeat the previous mistakes, so we're gonna cover this. So get a bag or something, or some light masking tape. Here we go, so no glue, no shit will get onto your sexy seats. Patience, my friends, is the virtue. Do not rush, make sure it all gets stuck on, and then start heating it, and then start rubbing it and bending it.
Вот, когда наклеите, вот так трете ее, трете, как любимую женщину в ночи. Вот так.
If you give love and passion to your work, then it will give love and passion back to you when you drive it. So do it nice and sexy. Today, my dear friends, I'm fucking about trying to oh shit, all this is coming off now. Oh fuck. Yeah, today I'm fucking about basically sticking all this shit on. And I'm trying to make it all continuous basically, so without cutting it. And it is very, very, very difficult. But nothing's impossible, we're trying. So the way you do it is heat this a lot and then push it in, stretch it. But then you're gonna have a problem like I have here. It doesn't want to all stick down properly, because it's kind of pulling it different directions. So as it's drying, you've got to keep an eye on it and make sure it's kind of sticking how you wanna. I want this bit to stick first, and then when this bit is stuck down, I can you know, start basically pulling it and get this bit on. But not for now, because it's not stuck on it.
Подгон Productions.
So to rub this, I'm putting all these edges in the creases so that you know, you can pull it different sides and stuff and start gluing it. So wedge it in quite a bit. And then you can start putting glue on. No plastic, and I don't bullshit. No plastic, baby. This is all coming along, just waiting for it to stick. Then I'm gonna cut it up the back. So this side's beginning to look pretty fly. This side's done, but I want to change this ugly piece of shit seatbelt thing. We also got a nice cover for it, so let's do that. as new, guys. Good as new. And you might come across this annoying problem that with this model of seats, this fucking thing doesn't fit. But there's always a way around, and it's to cut off this plastic frame.